Tombstone. I am at Bird Creek School, Native American School, and I have a skeptic with me tonight. His name is Cory. We're going to see if he can flop over to that fence to my side.
Good luck.
Nah, we're going to have some fun with this. But it will be interesting because there's some answers I need from the last session that I had here. And I'll put that link in the description for you to go and watch. Okay? Well, let me turn around. This is Bird Creek School. I'm going to come in and take some pictures. Is that okay? Yeah. Okay, great. Are you guys doing okay? What is this? I didn't check this side out the last time I was here. What is that? What is that? It's a stove, wasn't it? Is this a stove? Isn't that what he just said? This is the back. Ooh. What is that in there? What was cooked in here?
Rocks.
A deep fryer? Well, we can go in this way. Ouch! May we come in? I'd like to take pictures if that's okay. Is it okay? We don't mean any disrespect. Okay, I'm going to put this down for a minute, folks. Hang on. Okay. I wanted to take some pictures. Who's all here with us? Dude. What's the matter? Looks like it's falling in. Here, flush this around for me. See, I ain't going in there. Don't look very safe. Hi. How are you? You doing all right? I have a meter here that you guys can touch if you want. What's the secret? Can you make this meter go off? There you go. Go ahead, touch the meter. This is Cory. Do you remember me, Tammy? Top. If you touch it right here on the top, it'll go off. Can you touch that for me? Sorry if the light bothered you. You want us to step away from it? I could have swore she said, how did she hear you? Who was the gentleman that was here last time that we caught here in the corner. Who was that? Vance? Bob? Do you remember speaking to me last time? Hi, Cheryl. Hi, Jeff.
This is a one-room classroom.
Can you touch that meter, Cheryl?
Was you a kid here?
Yes. How old were you when you passed away?
Did you pass gas? Sulfur or what? Or rotten?
That's not good. Is there a demon here?
You don't smell that?
A little. I smell the sulfur.
I was prompted it was about a minute, about a few seconds ago.
Is there a demon here? Say yes or no. You're going too far away for the phone.
Oh,
There you go.
I was just caught up. Catch it smelling.
Well, usually when you smell that sulfur smell, and what was that? Something just banged on that. You didn't hear that.
No, we're too focused on the smell.
Who just knocked on the chalkboard? Who was that?
Anything? You see anything behind me?
Now, Cory is a skeptic. So, spirits, can you show him that you are for real? Can you move something or can you knock?
Room temperature.
Can you finish this sequence? Can you finish that sequence? Who's by the window? Who is? Who? Boy, this was small. How did you die? He killed you? How did he kill you? Thank you for touching the meter.
What the heck?
Go back further. There you go. Bye. Who's the little girl? Sierra? Did you say Sierra or am I wrong? How old are you?
Did you catch the lights?
Mm-hmm. Sorry. How old is the little girl? Now, the woman who said he killed you, who killed you? Someone said just left me. There you go. Thank you again for touching that meter.
Oh, I see it's on here.
Keep touching that all you want. You like the pretty colors? Can you make it go all the way to red? Nice. Thank you. That was awesome. How many spirits are here? Sound like 11? Can you say that louder? How many spirits are here? Wow, look at that light up. Look at that. That's so awesome. They're all looking. Thank you. You guys are awesome. See, I told you he's the skeptic, guys. You might have to present yourself in front of this one. Look at that. So who's touching the meter? Can you tell me your name? Thank you. You know, the last time I was here, I was talking to a gentleman who said that a woman killed another woman. Is he around? What kind of help do you need? Killing. You guys aren't ghosts, I am. Sorry about the car. We are close to the road. Can you show yourself for Cory? You try? Is there anything in here that you can move? Can you move like that board or knock on something? Cory, stop walking for a second. Can you knock on something? Go ahead, knock on something. Finish this sequence. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. I want to thank you again for letting me film here and take pictures. I appreciate it. What's up? I hope you guys are resting in peace. Thank you for letting us come out here. God bless you. May the big spirit in the sky bless you as well. Okay. All right, folks. Tam Tombstone. Cory. Say bye, Cory. Sit down and go bye.
Bye.
It's not short like I am.
It's alright.
But I want to thank you for coming along, and I hope you enjoyed, and I cannot wait to hear the Spirit Box session back, because I know we picked up a lot of stuff. But also, in the comments, let me know if you want us to come back, and we'll come back. Okay? All right, remember, thumbs up, and hey, hello to all you new subscribers. I appreciate it. Remember, hit that like button. I love all my lovelies. Until next time.